Friends, in today's video, we will go through another interview question, that is, explain the difference between line and area chart in Power BI. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. A line chart is mainly used to visualize different measures or changes or trends in different measures across continuous time interval or even categories. So this is my line chart. First, let me go to my data set. The data set which I have used is same from my previous video. The additional fields I have added is the year field and the planned sales field. So let's move on to this report. Here, as I said, a line chart is used to visualize multiple measures. So here the measures which I have used is profit, actual sales and planned sales. It can be compared across a continuous time dimension. So I can see there is a day dimension here. And the second chart which I have is across a category, that is dimension. So if I go to my column chart, here is my column chart which I have prepared. This is also similar to my line chart, which has the same three values and the axis. The other also has the same values across division axis. So what's the difference between these? So as you can notice, a column chart is good for representing individual values, but a line chart is good for representing the trend or the entire changes across the category or the time intervals. Now let's move on to the area chart. An area chart is a kind of line chart. So you can see this is the border. This is similar as the line chart, but it has some filled portions which helps to visualize the total, the amount of change which has happened. So what's the difference between this line and area chart? The first difference is the line chart is good for showing me the net change. As I can see, there was a decrease, then increase, then decrease. So the net change or the trend I can visualize from line chart. While an area chart is good for visualizing the trends along with the total amount of change which has happened during that time interval or for that category dimension. The other difference is a line chart can be good for representing multiple measures. Here I have used 3 measures, but we can use 4 to 5 measures also. But area chart is not good for multiple measures, because the area will get filled up and it will become quite hazy and unclear to understand. We have another option here in Power BI, that is stacked area chart. This can be used if we want multiple measures together to be compared, because the difference you can see here we don't have any clear boundary and all, but this one is clean, shuffled and more arranged. So this can be used if we have multiple measures. The difference between these two, apart from the one which we saw now, is here the area chart represents the actual values. Here my planned sales, which is this one, is 11,800. So the point is exactly at there. But similarly here, if we want to see the actual sales, this is not 11,000 as you can see. So the plotting measures will be exact in my area chart, but it won't be exact because it's just preparing the stacks or preparing the bands first. So that's why the exact measurement is not given in this stacked area chart. Thank you for watching.